Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download QuickBooks for tracking insurance expenses, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type quickbooks.intuit.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the products menu at the top of the page. Hover your mouse over products to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, click on QuickBooks Online. You will be directed to a page detailing QuickBooks Online features and options. Scroll down to find the different pricing plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs for tracking insurance expenses. Click on the Buy Now or Free Trial button associated with your chosen plan. You will be prompted to create an Intuit account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address and create a password. After creating your account, provide the necessary business information required. Once you complete this, review your order and complete the payment process. After your payment is confirmed, you will receive an email with your QuickBooks account details. Return to the QuickBooks website and click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, you can begin to explore the various features related to tracking insurance expenses. To set up your expense tracking, navigate to the Expenses tab on the left sidebar. Click on New Expense to start recording your insurance-related expenditures. Fill in the necessary details for each expense, such as amount, date, and category. To categorize insurance expenses effectively, make sure to set up relevant expense categories. Go to the Chart of Accounts under the Accounting tab to add any new categories if needed. Regularly recording your insurance expenses will help you manage your overall budget efficiently. Consider using QuickBooks reports to analyze your insurance expenses over time. Familiarize yourself with the various reporting options available under the Reports section. This will give you valuable insights into your spending and help you optimize your insurance costs. Keep your QuickBooks data secure by regularly updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication. Now that you've downloaded and set up QuickBooks, you're ready to effectively track your insurance expenses. Explore the platform further to fully utilize its features for your business needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.